how to turn on dark mode on Google Maps. So if you're someone who loves the dark mode and wants to use it more often and you want to use it for your Google Maps, it's really easy to do. So go to Google Maps, and there's two things you can do here. So go to the profile at the top right hand corner and go to where it says settings. And what you can do is, the first thing you can do is go to navigation at the very top and scroll all the way down until you see map display, and see mine is set to automatic depending if it's day or night, but you can just switch it to nighttime so that it always displays in dark mode. But what you can do, if you want your Google Maps settings and all your menus to be dark as well, what we can do is go out of here and scroll down until you see where it says using maps and it says dark mode. What we can do here is go to dark mode and simply turn on dark mode, and that way your entire Google Maps is always dark mode as well. So you can do it just for your maps when you're using navigation, or you can use it for your entire Google Map. And that's it. Very simple.